Bas mo na, ibas mo na.
Same number as last week.
Same number.
Well, game lang, game lang.
Parang hindi na sa yung oras.
Oh, game lang. Oh.
Yan pa, ilang minuto ba?
15 minutes lang. 15 minutes mo na.
15 na lang.
Oh, 15.
Ano to bro? Isa?
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, first five to the center. Center of the court, first five. Check, check. Let's go.
Sa inyo lang.
Pray.
I-add mo na lang pag wala yung number yan. I-add mo na lang.
Made some nice moves.
Ano number mo?
Out there, that was great.
Ano number?
3-3. Para madali.
The Tiger is going out there.
15, yeah.
Paglaro ba?
We're late.
Hindi.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, let's go. First five.
Yun si Paolo, hindi ko alam number yung Paolo.
Wait. Nakakalito. Sa report may ano.
Kaya mo na. Sige na, blue naman, sa kapula eh.
May mga kababok, meron mga... Alright!
79. Si ano. Si Paolo 79 ah.
Let's go!
Game clock on.
Content? Hindi.
Nakasimula pa lang eh.
Mag-score rin yung bata eh.
3!
Lagay mo. Can you outscore? Ano number nun?
Eric?
Wait. Number 30, red. 3 points.
No good.
4. Yes. 3. Home. 0.
Rebound number
18.
Alenson? Oh, busog. Oh, 2 points, number 18.
Number 18, 2 points.
Jeremy, 18 points.
What team?
Red.
4. Yes.
Oh, traveling without a visa card.
You're traveling, man.
Ito na, tumira na naman. No good. Chris. Paolo. Oh, 2 points. Number 27. 2 points. 79. Number 79, 2 points.
Score. Yes. 5. Home. 2.
Rebound number 52. Oh. We got whistle. Number 8, foul. Red.
Guest player number 8. Foul number 1.
Paolo. Eric. 2 points. Eric. Number 52, 2 points.
Score. Yes. 5. Home. 4.
33, pass to number 8. Tumira. Wala. Rebound 33. Wow! Ang ganda ng pasa. Puyat ang pinasahan. Chris. Oh. Kala ko kaliwete. Tumira na. Wala. Eric, rebound. Pass to 2 points. Number 52. Mel.
Score. Yes.
Anchita.
5. Home. 6.
Ito na si Scott. Machine. Wala. Busog pa. Still full. Tummy full. Eric Comboy. 2 points. Number 82.
Score. Yes. 5. Home. 8.
8-5 in favor of Lakewood. No good. Rebound Chris to Paolo. Oh, 2 points. Number 79.
Score. Yes. 5. Home. 10.
Mel. Puyat daw ito kagabi. Ano, number 18. Oh, kinaliwa. Ang galing mga liwa. Scott. Anchita. Good. Easy 2. Daming player yung magaling mga liwa. Lalo na yung guilty. Mel. To number 30. Bang. George Street.
Yes. 8.
33.
Home. 10.
Number 20, Paolo.
We're not playing George for this, bro.
No good.
Score. Yes. 10. Home. 10. Score. Yes.
Mel Tree.
Home. 12.
13-12 in favor of Red. Patayin niyo muna yung bola para makapasok kayo. Chris. Oh, may ikot si Chris. Oh. Number 8, steal the ball.
Nice. Yeah.
2 points, number 18. Randy.
Score. Yes. 15. Home. 12.
Check, check. Oh, rebound number 8. Scott, 2 points. Scott, what's your number? 23. Scott.
Score.
Paolo, no good. Rebound, Paolo.
12.
Eric. Oh, wala. 33, rebound. 17-12 in favor of Red Team. Whoa!
Oh, yeah.
2 points, number 33.
Good
Score.
shot, Ricky.
Yes. 19. Home. 12.
Eric Tree, number 82.
Score. Yes. 19. Home. 15.
No good. Rebound. Anchita. To Scott.
Yeah.
Tree, number 23. Red.
Score. Yes. 22.
Paolo, no good. Oh, my pass by Scott. Eric Comboy again for 3. No. Oh, pushing foul. Stop, Red, stop. Yung mga busog, labas. Yung mga gutom, pasok. Let's go.
No, yeah, that's okay. It's okay. But it's following it, right? Moving. Yeah.
Alright. points by 73.
Score. Yes. 22. Home. 17.
2 points, number 20.
What is it now? He's following you, huh?
Score. Yes. 24. Home. 17.
Number 5 foul.
Guest player number 5. Foul number 1.
Henry. Oh, still by. Oh, still back. Henry. Ganda ng basa.
Pangit yung kamera. Hindi pinasok eh.
Follow. 2 points, number 79.
Number 79. 2 points.
Score. Yes. 24.
Dito.
19.
Oh, still by Eric. Dito na si Mario. No good. On rebound, Mario. Wala pa rin. Another one. Last attempt. No foul. Running. What you gonna do? Dancing and dancing. Jump. 2. No good. Oh. We got whistle. Number 22. 22. White. Foul.
Home player number 22. Foul number 1.
You and Golden working inside. Set screen, set screen. Try your shoot. Let's go.
Mario, 2 points, number 73.
Score. Yes. 24.
Hey, player, sit down. Run it. Check, check. Number 17.
Go high. Nice.
Oh no, rebound, number 16. Paulo. Paulo. To Mario. On rebound number 13, 17.
There you go, Ricky. Good job.
Oh, same ball. It's a clean block by Mario.
Alex. You guys go high low. Go high low. You got
Sub? Oh, no sub. Oh, sub. Number 7, 8. Number 22, 8.
Go high low now. Okay, no high low.
Scott, skip the handle back.
Ganda.
Mario rebound.
Pangit.
Paolo. Pangit. Paolo. No good.
Right there, Alex. Spread out. There you go.
Oh, nice steal by Eric to Paolo. 2 points, number 73.
How big is that? 32?
Score. Yes. 24. Home. 25.
Change favor. Paolo rebound. Paolo. 2 points, number 79. 79, 2 points.
Number 6. That is 27. No, he's 79.
Score. Yes. 24. 27.
Louis, 2 points, number 7.
Yes. 24. Home. 29.
You want to call timeout? Okay.
Time out, time out. Time out. Oh, let's go. All right, back to the hard court. 29-24, 5-point ball game. Favor of one team.
Game clock off.
Let's go. Henry. 10 seconds remaining. 9, 8, 7. Oh, nice block. Good block. 5, 3, 2, 1. Thousand. 2 points.
Score. Yes. 24.
31-24.
First half or first quarter? First half.
Right?
20.
Oh, they pay 15.
Max. 15 lang? 15? Yeah, 15. Yeah. Right.
We got a starting ball game. 31-24 in favor of one team.
1 minute lang yun. 1 minute. Dahil na...
Okay. We got 20 seconds. 20 seconds left for the second half. Let's go.
Water? Yeah.
Oh, let's go, let's go. Second half.
Game clock on.
Open. To Randy. Jump shot. No good. Rebound number 23. Wala pa kayong mga kumain dyan. Lalo na yung nakakain na. Parang 2 points. Number 82.
Against 24. Home 33.
Mel. Puyat pa to kami. Ito si Scott. Scott. To George Mel. Pumira na number 83.
Score. Against 27.
Puyat pa yan ha.
33.
Paolo. Puyat. Ito na. Chris.
Chris in control. Pinagano. Cowboy. Cowboy from downtown. Anemic siya. Anemic. Anemic. Rich. Scott. Scott in control. Down to George. To Gutierrez. Whoa! Oh, what is? Oh, that is a foul. Number 22. First foul.
Home player number 22. Foul number 2.
Scott. Oh, nice assist coming from Scott Messina. What an assist.
29.
Scott.
Home 33.
Paulo. Chris. Cowboy. Reverse. No good. Back. Ang lakas ng talon ni Scott. Isang boting pamata. Scott. The judge. Oh, rebound. Cowboy. Chris in control. Two numbers. Back to Cowboy. Oh, like the Wilson said, regular. The official. Referee's whistle. Turnover. Scott in control. Bring down the middle. Jamel. Again, back again from downtown. Oh! What a. They got it again by number 22, Chris. Oh, we got it number 18. Number 18 from downtown. Wale, big rebound, Ricky. No whistle. Continuous play. Number 18. Wow! Wow! Committed by number
6-0.
Number 6. 6-0. Yeah. First free throw. Sir.
60. Foul number 1.
First free throw by number 18 from 50 foot long. The first is good. Substitution. Number 23 coming in number 52. Another substitution. Number George out. Coming in number 17. The last free throw by number 18. Wale a big rebound number 16. Recovered again by Chris. Milo. Hinahalong hook number 8. Zero number 27. A nice assist. Chris. To number 52. Offensive foul. What a nice defense. Para kay, yes sir. 52. Foul number 52. Scott in control. Scott.
Foul number 1.
Ricky. Number 18, number Roberts. Oh, we got again by number 37. In control, that pass. Oh, wow, what a foul. A foul number 18. Number 18.
Next player number 18. Foul number 1.
First free throw para kay number 22, Chris. Mula sa 15 kita. The first. Oh, wala Wale. The second. Wale. Big rebound, number 18. Number 52. A general ball. Yeah. White ball. Red. Oh yeah, thank you, sir. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Red. Roxen. Bagi tidak kiring. Back to surrender, number 8. In control. Back to Scott. Bisa ada malayo dyan. Ayan na. Kapiling-piling. From downtown. Way! Inaala. Si number 8. Number 2. Oh, nakata na kayo number 8. Nakaling niyo yung tumatakbo. Still on number 8. Guarded by number 52. Mamaya na sabi na. Bang! Another 2. Mamaya daw. Number 52. Oh. Offensive foul on number 52. Substitution. Yes, sir. 52. Another substitution.
Foul number 2. Warning for penalty.
I'm white.
Number 20. Joe. Number 18. A big rebound. Lion using the ball control. And a nice back shot.
Score. Yes. 33. Home. 33.
Pero hindi siya accurate.
Number 73 from downtown. Bang! From downtown, Gonzalez. 3 points.
36.
Need ball.
Ricky and Chad in control against Gonzalez. Ayan naman ako naman! Wale! A big rebound, Ricky! Wale! May foul. Oh, traveling violation. Substitution, Red substitution. A traveling, said the official.
Before the foul, he said traveling. That's what he said, but I don't know what's his called. Yeah, it is
Number 37. Looking for his teammates. Back to number 33, the trigger man. Pow! 3 points.
Score. Yes. 33. Home. 39.
33-39. Score?
Uras.
The time left. Ako naman, bibigay ni number 13, napunta ni Joban Wale. A big rebound, number 50 to number 27. Gonzalez for Jim.
Score. Yes. 33. Home. 41.
41-33 score in favor by the Lakewood from downtown. A turnover. No substitution. The 27 in control. Bring down the leather. Recovered by number 18 to Ancheta. Wale, another offensive rebound. Recovered by number 52 to number 33. To Gonzalez. Yeah. Number 27 against number 8. It's still on number 27. Gonzalez. Tuloy-tuloy. Wale, big rebound. Binabi by number 18, number 8.
Go!
Angela. Numbers. Oh, wala, big rebound. A turnover, substitution. 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 This game is brought to you by AAPBA. Sari Sari Store and Star Star 9. Oh, yes! Everyone! A basket count.
Score. Yes.
A basket count? Basket count. Number 8 foul. Yes, a bonus shot. Bonus.
Foul number 2.
Bonus shot para kay number 27. Yes, complete 3 points.
Score. Yes. 33. 44.
Number 18 from downtown. Wale. Angela. Ako naman. Bang! 3 points.
Score. Yes. 36. 44.
Number 27 against Children. A foul committed by number 20. 20-0. The title, red team.
Let's go.
Game clock up.
Number 20. Oh, we got Weasel. Scott Lang. Number 23. Foul.
Yes, player number 23. Foul number 1.
Okay. 2 minutes stop. This is second to you. Oh. This is second to you. Anyway. Second to you. That is the first period. Is it the first or second? The second already. You remember, I thought it's 20 minutes. That's easy. For 20.
No good. Angela. 2 points.
Score. Yes. 38.
Oh. We got Weasel again. Number 23. 23. You got
Yes, player number
2 fouls.
3. Foul number 2.
Hindi mo nila kayo second half.
Ayun na. Nalagay na. Ngayon lang. Kaya pala warning na kayo.
How many fouls you get count for the second half? How many fouls you get count? We forgot to put it on the second half.
7.
7?
So,
Two fouls.
how many fouls? How many times this half?
Yeah, they forgot to put it second half.
He forgot to...
7 now?
That's
So
why
that's 7?
foul the first half, but carried over.
Go.
Yeah, I mean, he forgot to reset the second half. That's why I said warning for penalty.
Yeah, let's go 4-4. Let's go 4-4. Let's go 4-4.
So 4-4? 4-4. Just 6-4. 6-4, 1-1.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
6-4.
announcer natin na binabayaran ng napakamalaki. Asa na? Babawiin mo yung kaya na. Kasi back jab to back jab. First row, Mario. 1 point.
Paul, lagyan mo pa ng dalawang pala.
Score. Yes. 38. Home. 45.
Last row is rebound, Mario. 1 point again.
Score. Yes. 38. Home. 46.
Winning time na yan, wala na yan. Sino? Pula?
Basta 23 sa pula.
Game clock.
Off. 20, number 20.
Score. Yes. 40. Home. 46.
28. Paul, 28. Paul, 28.
Guest player number 23. Foul number 2.
Tapos 8. Paul number 8.
1 point.
Unahan mo na yung
1 point. 73.
73, 1 point.
Score. Yes. 40. Home.
Last row.
47.
Number 23, foul.
Guest player number
Natin na sila mag.
23. Foul number 3.
Acheta to number 20. Randy. Patrick.
Game clock off.
Ref penalty situation.
Paul number 8.
Score. Yes. 40.
Number 8.
Home. 40. Guest player number 8. Foul number 3.
Okay, white team, you are warning for penalty, but the red team is in penalty. 2 shots? Okay, 2 shots. Mario Gonzalez. Oh, no good. Last room is rebound. Teams, you still have timeouts. Both teams still has 10 timeouts. No good. Rebound number 33. 5-point double game. Randy again. No good. Rebound on Cheetah. To Scott. To Mel. No good. Rebound Mario. To Paolo. Paolo. Oh, foul. Number 8.
Number 8, foul. 8-3.
Oh, penalty. 2 shots.
Guest player number 18. Foul number 2.
Hindi mo na kinontrol yung camera ko.
Mahirap ng control. Nag-ano ka eh. Nag-announce.
Nag-a-assist ako.
Score. Yes.
1 point.
3. Home. 41.
Last row is rebound.
Max. Max.
Randy.
Game clock off.
To Randy. To 3, number 20. To Eric. Oh, we got a weasel. Another foul. Who's fouled?
Guest
Number
46.
33.
49. Guest player number 33. Foul number 1.
2 shots. You guys should have one. You should have one.
They're already called.
Both teams still have 1 timeout left. Both teams. Eric, shoot ba yan? Sige. 1 point.
Score.
Piso.
46. Home. 50.
Eric, nakain ka na ba? Isa pa.
Score.
Sarap lang sopas eh. Hindi papasok, walang guardia. 25 seconds. Oh, rebound. Number 60. Oh. Number 33, Anchita, you have
Guest player.
2 fouls. You got 2 fouls.
Foul number 2.
Timeout 1. White, you have no more timeout.
Good.
Alright, let's go. 5 seconds. 23 seconds left. 23 seconds left.
Ano yung ano, habang nag-announce ka, sundan mo yung ano.
Kanina ko, dapat siya eh. Iniwan ako eh. Ito.
First free throw barangay number 16, the legendary.
Yes, 46.
The first is good. Second. Iba talaga pag naka-Jordan ka eh. Serya na na, Bisaya. University of Bisaya.
Siya yan?
Yeah. Yes, the 2-2.
Score. Yes, 46. Host.
Number 18. Number, again, back again. Ayan. From downtown. Oh!
12 seconds left. 12 seconds.
12 seconds left. 12 seconds.
Team Qualcomm.
Okay, congratulations, Nicholas and AFB. Yes, thank you. Score 46-23. Congratulations. Team Lakewood.
Ang haba eh.
Grabe yung dalawang Eric, nakakain lang. Pumataw.
Kumain ko yun eh. Kumain. Go ahead and transfer to Lakewood now for the next game. I said, that's up to Nick.
Max, anong next game?
Kung alam eh. Go ahead, ano? Anong susunod ang ano? Oo, ako na yung laptop ko.
Para mapalaya ka.
Ako yung laptop ko.
Pau!
Hati kayo ni Palo, umihit. Palo, hati kayo.
Tapos na ako, Pal.
Bro,
Ano yun, bro?